Hi guys, welcome to another episode of easy and affordable hairstyles you can make for your kids in this season of celebration. If you're just coming across my video, please do well to like, follow, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and affordable hair you can try yourself for your kids. And all you'll be needing for this hair is just a hair extension. I used Lush products, a hairpin, a hairband, and of course beautiful ribbons to beautify it. Please always remember to use a hair moisturizer and oil on your child's hair. It's very important because it helps protect the hair from breakage and makes it easy to detangle while combing. After watching this video, I don't think you'd like to cut your child's hair again. Please watch this video and let me know if you'll try it in the comment section. Thank you.